catching some little fish and we'll try to video some of it. There's one right there. They're just everywhere. I ain't never caught this many fish in my life. Come here, baby. And they all look like this. Oh crap, they get back in the water. Come here, baby. I don't know, this is 35 or 40 in this one pocket here. You see that?